Okay, we have discussed in the previous video that this is called a one-to-one function. Now, let's say I have an equation f of x is equals to x square. Okay. Now, if I want to draw the graph of this to x and y, taking x and y, and the values of x are independent and the values of y are dependent. Now, if I substitute x as -2, so I will get 4. This is 2 minus 2, so I will get 4. If I substitute x is equals to 1, so I will get 1. If I substitute x is equals to 0, 0, then 1 for 1, this is -1, and for 2, positive 2, I will get positive 4. Now if I have to draw the graph of this, let's say this is x is equals to 1 and this is x is equals to 2, -1 and -2, and x is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So on -2 we have the value of y as 4. At -1 we have the value of y as 1, 0, then again 1, and again 4. If I join all these points, so you all know that this is a quadratic curve. Now if I want to see if this is a function or not, so I have two conditions for functions. Number 1 is all the values, all the domain elements. I told you in the previous video that domain are the values of x. All the domain elements must be used, and the second condition is none of the domain element can be used twice. ठीक है. Now if we make a mapping for this, so I have used the values of x as -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2, and I was getting 4, 1, and 0. ठीक है. So you have seen okay, for the value of -2 I am getting 4, and for the value of 2 I am getting the same 4. Okay, for the value of -1 हमारे पास 1 है और 1 के लिए भी 1 है. ठीक है. तो you can see that for -2 and 2 there is a range 4 for both the domain values, and for -1 and 1 again there is a same range as 1. Okay, so this is called many to one function. This is a function, but this is not a one to one function. ठीक है, this is a function but this is not a one to one function. Why this is a function? Because it is fulfilling these conditions कि all the domain elements are used. तो सारे डोमेन हमने यूज़ कर लिए थे. all the values of x are used and none of the domain element can be used twice. कोई भी आपको नज़र आ रहा है कि कोई भी x की वैल्यू दो दफ़ा यूज़ नहीं हुई है. every value of x is unique, but here the values of y are not unique. For two values of x there is single value of y. So this is a function because it is fulfilling both these conditions, but this is not a one-to-one function as we have discussed in the case of linear equations. Linear equation में for each value of x there is a unique value of y, so that is called a one-to-one function. But this is not a one-to-one function, but it is a function. Okay, so this is representing a function. But not a one-to-one function. Okay, understand?